Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on options. When you just click here on options, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on push to talk buttons here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on focus button here, just click on it. Sorry, yeah, so you click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to activation sensitivity here, and here can you select it here in this list here if you want to add high or extreme here or moderate. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.